Hello guys, it is Soma Crus. Ooh-wee. Well, sorry guys. Even I'm very happy, of course. Excuse me. Excuse me. Well, I'm happy today because I have more subscribers. I can't believe we are on 120 subscribers. That's really good, Soma. Of course, it is really good. I can't believe this. Even if we look about the video that I did before, fuck on this. What are you doing now? I mean, what I did before is 4,1800. That's really good. Yes, super cool. Well, I wanted to say this week I can't do more video because I'm really busy with the exam. Of course, that's why I have no much time for create the video like what I do. Even here I didn't say part 1 because I don't know when I will do part 2. It will be so long. Even I don't think people will watch this. I'm talking about after 16 years, Asterix and Obelix come again on new game. I mean, on new game. Well, thank you for 120 subscribers. I thank beer for this. I wanted to say to hope soon we can have more subscribers than 120. Why not? After and we can make it on 1,000 after and. Yes, 1,000. Then we can do more video on that time. Of course we can do more video on that time. Yeah, whatever. Well, you can say on my page Facebook too. Some funny video like this, etc. Even I think more people follow me on Facebook more than than YouTube. Hope you guys always enjoy the video that I played before. Excuse me. Like Outlast, I did a really good series about this. So funny time. I'm really happy for playing this game too before. On the Undertale too. It is really good game that I do it before too. When I say it is 16 views, I was really happy for this. Well, I don't forget my partner, of course. We did so many things together. I'm talking about Rain, of course. He's really good friend. You can watch his video on his channel too. You can say here. It is Black channel, of course, like what he call his personality. Fuck, I don't know why he didn't change the name of his channel after ad. He said that he will change, but he didn't. Well, whatever. Well, like here we play really Resident Evil 5 together. The only thing that I am made because we didn't do final part yet. I'm really busy on his still busy, of course. He always travel to his to see his brother or something like this. It is his problem of family too. I don't know what I'm gonna say then. Well, I hope soon we can play together again. And I remember the video that I do about League of Legends like this of Fries and Ari, I guess. Yes, Ari. I'm sorry I'm noob until now. Even I'm on level silver. Level silver. I'm not on level good yet. Hope I can play rank and song. Fuck, this exam look like I'm going to hell or something like this. Yes, you're going to hell, Soma. Well, look. Well, guys. See you next week. I mean, maybe you can say on free day. I mean, next free day. It will be good. Maybe I will good. I will play something good more. Maybe not Asterix. I'm always check if any game come out, but I can't play because my system of my own PC is not more good than you think. I just play the minimum that I have on my own computer, of course. So hope you understand me that I can't play something really high. Otherwise on the normal, on the low. Oh my god. Fuck. I am what I gonna say? I'm really poor. Don't need to crying so much. Someday will make you really rich. Of course they can't make you, of course. Because I only say people watch Step Up and Buy, of course. Even I can't believe YouTube, they give you advertisement. Fuck, this shit is always disabling. Fuck. Hope I can say it again. Well, I say they do advertisement. I mean, wait, I will show you. I'm really not happy because I'm thinking that that might be good. I only played the game. I didn't apply something really bad like real stuff or something like this. You can see. I think no need to say. Fuck. My net is so bad. Holy shit. No need to see these guys. Maybe, I don't know, man. So don't forget to show to people that I'm, what you gonna say? Soma Crus is coming soon. Only be on high place. Well, I think that it never happened or here too. Even I'm from the fucking country, Algeria. Up president, but he never hear my voice. Well, no need. I'm not Dubicano. Yes. I remember that I did a video about music. Yes, like this of this Soma Crus. And Soma Crus shooting on your head and a person. Well, I did this because someone nicked me made on Facebook. He says so much bad word to me. Then I say back, whatever. I remember when I encouraged PewDiePie for when he's battled. What the fuck? Yes, and he's fun as around. Well, this channel is really good. I forgot what his name. Well, I can say it when I see. On this too, first time doing doing music that I create. It is really good memory. Fuck. This is been so long. So long time doing this video. Even I can't believe time ran really fast. I can't believe this until now. But I'm really happy on not because I did my best until now. That's really good. I really enjoy on reality on YouTube after doing streaming on YouTube, of course. That's really good. Even if you lose time or something like this, but sometimes you need to do something that you can remember. that you can remember on future or something like this. Maybe your kid will see what you do before. Maybe they will see the time when you enjoy playing stuff like games or something like this. Well, it is a good memory, of course. Even I really have a hard life on reality, but I do my best. I stay alive until my dream become true. Yes, that's what I'm gonna say. So hope you guys we enjoyed this video. I hope that we can meet soon. So don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. On see you next part, of course. Bye bye. Holy shit, this again.